beginnen, to begin, bekommen, to receive, besuchen, to visit, bezahlen, to pay, bleiben, to stay, bringen, to bring, entscheiden, to decide, erklären, to explain, fahren, to drive, go, fliegen, to fly, gefallen, to please, arbeiten, to work, antworten, to answer, anrufen, to call, anfangen, to start, aussehen, to look, appear, backen, to bake, bedeuten, to mean, begleiten, to accompany, behalten, to keep, bestellen, to order, beten, to pray, bewegen, to move, brauchen, to need, denken, to think, dürfen, to be allowed, empfehlen, to recommend, entdecken, to discover, entwickeln, to develop, erfinden, to invent, erinnern, to remember, erzählen, to tell, essen, to eat, fallen, to fall, fangen, to catch, fühlen, to feel, geben, to give, gehen, to go, gewinnen, to win, glauben, to believe, haben, to have, halten, to hold, hassen, to hate, helfen, to help, hören, to hear, kaufen, to buy, kennen, to know, kochen, to cook, kommen, to come, können, to be able, lachen, to laugh, lassen, to let, laufen, to run, lieben, to love, liegen, to lie, machen, to make, mögen, to like, müssen, to must, nehmen, to take, öffnen, to open, prüfen, to check, rechnen, to calculate, reden, to talk, reisen, to travel, rennen, to sprint, riechen, to smell, rufen, to call, sagen, to say, schauen, to look, schenken, to gift, schlagen, to hit, schließen, to close, schmecken, to taste, schneiden, to cut, schreiben, to write, schwimmen, to swim, sehen, to see, sein, to be, senden, to send, setzen, to set, singen, to sing, sitzen, to sit, spielen, to play, sprechen, to speak, springen, to jump, stehen, to stand, stehlen, to steal, steigen, to climb, sterben, to die, stören, to disturb, studieren, to study, suchen, to search, tanzen, to dance, trinken, to drink, tun, to do, üben, to practice, vergessen, to forget, verlieren, to lose, verstehen, to understand, versuchen, to try, warten, to wait, waschen, to wash, wechseln, to change, werden, to become, werfen, to throw, wissen, to know, wohnen, to live, wollen, to want, zeigen, to show, ziehen, to pull.